Happy morning, everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Gaikwad from grade 6, proudly representing RKL Galaxy International School, Pune. So now let's talk about my topic. We are going to a wonderland. No, it's not a fairyland or not in outer space. We are going to the parliament of the animals. Sit relaxed and open your hearts. Get ready to start the exploring adventure of the parliament of the animals with me. Once upon a time, in the deep woods of Amazon, all the animals were gathered together. Everyone was looking a bit confused. Why would have king called us? Are we planning to start a mission against the people who destroy our homes, that is jungle, or we are here to celebrate anything? Now the king lion enters and says, we all are here to celebrate a very special thing, that is diversity. Everyone looked puzzled. In that time, a small butterfly asked him, what is it? Then the lion said to everyone, diversity is having different features yet living together. After hearing this, every animal started saying their feature. Emily Elephant said, I have a long trunk, using it I drink water. Fairy Frog said that I live both under the water and on the land. I am an amphibian. After them, small butterfly said, I am very small yet very important part of our ecosystem, as I am very important in the process of pollination. I carry the pollen grains. After her, a snake said that I don't have legs yet I crawl and make our jungle free of rats. After them, a big tree shredded its leaves and said that I'm a living being, yet I stay on a place and provide you the air which you breathe. After hearing this, everyone cheered and sang, all we are different, yet together we live. That's the nature's gift. From that day, they have started celebrating the Diversity Day in their jungle. Now, the Leo the lion said, you all have got right about the diversity. This was my small story telling my chapter, Diversity in the Living World. Thank you.